US dollar flexes its muscles yet again in early trading on Wednesday. Before we start, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by XNS, the world's leading retail brokerage firm offering ultra-fast execution and no overnight fees. Look for a link in the description below. The euro has plummeted again and now is below the recent support level in the form of the 1.08 level as interest rates in America continue to climb. Because of this, I think you've got a situation where traders are going to continue to run to the US dollar, and therefore I think we probably continue to drop. I was a bit surprised that we didn't consolidate a bit longer, but clearly the bond market is starting to lead the charge. At this point, it would not surprise me at all to see a drop down to the 1.07 level and then possibly even 1.0650. I have no interest in buying this pair, at least not at the moment. The US dollar, of course, has taken off against the Japanese yen and is threatening 153 yen at the time of recording. The market has gone parabolic, and now it looks as if it is going to try to get to the 155 yen level. That being said, we are stretched, and there is a significant cluster of noise somewhere around the 154 yen level. So I do think you've got a situation where you need to be a little cautious here about jumping into the market and chasing this move. If you are already long of the US dollar against the Japanese yen, and you should be if you've been following my analysis, now it just comes down to deciding whether to take profit or to move your stop loss up to lock in profit. Quite frankly, we do have further to go, but I also recognize that we are getting a little bit overdone in the short term. The Australian dollar has broken below the 0.6650 level, and it now looks as if it could really start to break down, especially if we give up the 0.6620 level. Anything below there could very well have the Australian dollar plummeting towards the 0.6450 level. As things stand right now, the Australian dollar is probably the best of the three currencies against the US dollar in this video, but that's speaking in a relative manner. I would not get long here. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe.